Have you ever wondered what the most reliable path to becoming a millionaire is? With so many stories of sudden wealth and success floating around, it's easy to get lost in the hype and forget that there is a more grounded, strategic way to achieve financial success. Today, we'll explore a path that doesn't rely on luck, but on mindset discipline and calculated steps. Let's start by calming the mind, focusing our thoughts, and envisioning a garden, a place where success is cultivated with care and attention, one seed at a time. The foundation of success. Before we dive into strategies, it's essential to understand that the journey to becoming a millionaire begins in the mind. A calm, focused mind is like fertile soil in a garden, ready to nurture the seeds of success. When your mind is calm, you can think clearly, make better decisions, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. Buffett credits much of his success to his ability to remain calm and patient even in volatile markets. He once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." Buffett's calm demeanor allows him to make rational decisions, avoiding the pitfalls of emotional investing. Cultivating success. Imagine your journey to becoming a millionaire as tending to a garden. Each seed you plant represents an action, habit, or decision that moves you closer to your goal. Just as a gardener must water, fertilize, and protect their plants, you must consistently nurture your actions with discipline, education, and persistence. Step 1. Planting the right seed setting. Clear financial goals. Every successful journey begins with a clear destination in mind. What does financial success mean to you? Is it $1 million in savings, a thriving business, or a diverse investment portfolio? Start by setting specific, measurable, and time-bound financial goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," set a goal, like "I want to have $1 million in investments by the age of 40. This clarity will guide your decisions and keep you focused on the long term. Take the story of Chris Gardner, the man behind the pursuit of happiness. Gardner went from being homeless to becoming a successful stockbroker and entrepreneur. His journey started with a clear goal to provide a better life for his son. This goal fueled his determination, helping him overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Step 2. Watering the seeds, building consistent habits. Once your goals are set, the next step is to build the habits that will help you achieve them. Just like a gardener waters their plants every day, you need to consistently nurture your financial health. Start by adopting habits like saving a portion of your income, investing regularly, and continually educating yourself about finance. The power of compound interest is like the sunlight in your garden, helping your money grow exponentially over time. Take the example of Ronald Read, a janitor who amassed an $8 million fortune by the time of his death. Read's secret? He consistently invested his modest earnings in dividend-paying stocks over decades. His story is a testament to the power of consistent, patient investing. Step 3. Protecting your garden, managing risks. Every garden faces threats, pests, weeds, unpredictable weather. Similarly, your financial journey will encounter risks. The key is to manage these risks effectively without letting fear hold you back. Diversification is one of the best ways to protect your financial garden. By spreading your investments across different assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, you reduce the impact of any one investment failing. Consider the story of Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds. Dalio's success is built on his principle of risk parity, which involves diversifying across a range of assets to minimize risk. His approach helped his fund weather financial storms that brought down many others. Step 4. Fertilizing the soil. Continuous learning and growth. A garden thrives when the soil is rich with nutrients. In your financial journey, these nutrients are knowledge and skills. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to keep learning. Whether it's reading books on personal finance, taking courses on investing, or learning from successful mentors, continuous education is key. Remember, the more you know, the better your decisions will be. Warren Buffett, despite his immense wealth, still spends 80% of his day reading. He believes that knowledge compounds just like interest, and that continuous learning is crucial to maintaining and growing wealth. Step 5. Harvesting the fruits, making smart investments. After months or years of tending your garden, the time comes to harvest the fruits of your labor. In the financial world, this means making smart investments that generate returns. Investing is where the magic of wealth creation happens, but it's important to approach it with a strategy. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or starting your own business, your investments should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Take the example of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Blakely turned a $5,000 investment into a billion-dollar business by identifying a market need and filling it with an innovative product. Her story is a powerful reminder that smart investments, when combined with hard work and creativity, can lead to extraordinary success. Step 7. Sharing the harvest, giving back. Finally, a flourishing garden doesn't just benefit the gardener, it can provide for many others. In the same way, true financial success involves giving back to your community, helping others achieve their goals, and making a positive impact on the world. Philanthropy is a common trait among the world's wealthiest individuals. Bill Gates, through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, has donated billions to causes like global health education and poverty alleviation. Gates believes that wealth should be used to improve the world, not just the lives of the wealthy. The power of a millionaire mindset. The journey to becoming a millionaire is not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires patience, persistence, and a calm, focused mind. Like a gardener, you must tend to your financial goals with care-building habits, managing risks, and continuously learning and adapting. Remember, the seeds of wealth are planted not in the stock market or real estate, but in your mindset. By cultivating a millionaire mindset, you can turn your dreams into reality, creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. If you found this video valuable and feel inspired to take control of your financial future, click on the channel iSkillmind and subscribe to our quality content. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth and financial success. Let's cultivate our gardens together and watch them flourish into a life of prosperity.